Let's talk about buttons. It is one feature that many of our design friends cannot live without. While it is one of the simplest parts of our interface, it is sadly one of the elements that are easy to ignore. We need to have a solid understanding of what buttons are and how they work. We have been dealing with buttons ever since our childhood. From the TV remote control to going up button on a lift, they represent a simple yet intuitive way to make things work the way that suits our minds. It also means that intuitiveness and usability of a button design affect our behavior, especially in a user interface. Here are a few things to look after when you are designing a button. First, maintain consistency across all buttons. They need to have a similar size, corner roundedness, height and weight. Consistency increases the responsiveness of your interface as your users can spend less time thinking about what the button does. Second, you should avoid having 2 or more buttons that share the primary color as your interface. You should only have one primary button or your users might be confused. Third, use the right copywriting. For example, if your pop-up window asks whether a user intends to cancel an order, instead of using confirm and cancel, simply use yes or no. Using simplified copywriting expedites users' reactions and increases usability. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.